Alright, what's going on guys? T-Tor is back here for another video. Today's video is going to be a simple mod that everybody can do at home. Shouldn't require too much time. I should have done this a long time ago, but what we're going to be installing today is, I don't know if many of you all have seen on the internet the little engine bay dress up kit. We're going to be installing that dress up kit, and I will have the link down below in the description. Sorry, it's dark in here. I'll turn the light on here in a little bit. Alright, so here's what you get. You get your two plastic pieces that come with the actual engine bay dress up kit. I do not know why Honda decided to make this engine bay with this nasty open gap right here. I just think it's horrible looking. So you get your two actual plastic pieces, as you can see right here, and also you get these new clips to go with. So as you can see on this side, hang on one second, let me cut this light on so y'all can see, and I can see better too. It's almost too bright. Alright, so the first piece that we're going to be installing is going to be on the passenger side right here. I've already removed the clips. So just to give you a count, you're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips and one 10mm bolt right here. And that's going to allow you to have that first piece slide in right there. As you can see, there they all are. So before we actually get started installing these two engine bay dress up kit pieces, I want to mention that the front splitter is sold. I still have the side skirts are still for sale, so if you guys are interested in them, here's a good look at them. They're in good shape. They just need to be cleaned up and washed. Have all the hardware that goes with them. So I've had a lot of people message me about them, but nothing serious. Like I said, I had a few serious people about the front splitter. One guy, money talks, and shipped it out the next day, and he got it. So hopefully the person who got that splitter gets it on his car soon. He was a subscriber. He is a follower of the channel, so that's pretty awesome that you now have a piece that I had on my car. So hopefully it works out for you, even though one side of the fin was bent. He said he was going to fix it and get it put on his car, so it was super cool that a subscriber bought it. But if you're interested in my side skirts, they're the Aeroflow Dynamic V2 side skirts. You can shoot me a DM on Instagram or shoot me a message on Facebook if you don't have one or the other. You always have that option. Alright, so let's get started with today's install, and then when we get to the end of the video, have some very, 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 very big and exciting news. Let's just say we have a new project car coming to the channel mid-January. I'll elaborate on that at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. Alright, so just to give you guys a better visual of the plastics out of the bag, here's what they look like. That's the passenger side, and that's the driver's side. I'll overlay this piece right now just to kind of show you a little mock-up of what it looks like. Now tell me that does not look 10 times better than all this nasty open space. I don't know why they did that. But we're gonna get to installing the passenger side right now. I like how it just perfectly fits, it goes over the reservoir like that. And then this trim piece itself is going to sit on top just like that. But of course, once I get it installed with all the clips, it'll sit nice and neat on top just like that. So let's get to installing this piece first. Alright, so the first piece that I'm going to put in is a 10mm bolt that came out of here. Just go ahead and get it started with with my finger, and then we'll tighten it the rest of the way down with the 10mm socket. Super simple. Alright, so that one's done. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the, I'm going to use the factory clips that it actually came with just to put this stuff back in together. I don't think it needs that new hardware. And I can always keep the spares for later. At least that's what I plan on doing. Okay, so the first one is pushed back in. Then you have your 2-piece clips that went towards the center. Okay, make sure that you actually have something gripped. I'm really bad about that. So I actually take it apart in 2 pieces. Push the actual clip down and in, and then make sure it snaps just like that. Okay, then you're gonna take another one, another push pin one that we have. Okay, you're gonna push that one in, and then another 2-piece clip that we have is going to go. Actually, that was supposed to go right there, so whoops, that one was not in all the way. So once again, this clip is gonna go right here on this one. Actually swap those around. Okay, heard it snap, so that's good. We have another 2-piece clip that's gonna go over here. Okay, we're gonna have to redo that one. Come on, camera, focus. Okay, that piece is in, it's getting nice and secured. Okay, I'm gonna come up here and install the last push pin. Okay, that one's clipped and now in. And now we only have, we have 2 clips that are left, so we are gonna have to use the clips that they supplied. And I'm gonna go get those out of the bag and show you which ones, and we're gonna put those in now. All right, so I went ahead and installed these 2 clips. They were a little bit of a freaking nightmare to get to seat all the way in there. But you have the, you're gonna take your long ones that you have, the ones that look like this, okay? And then that's gonna seat into this one if my camera would focus. So it's gonna seat in something just like that. And you'll have enough to do the 2 on the other side itself. So as it sits all nice and snug in there, that's exactly what it's gonna look like. Man, I think that looks so much better than all this plain open space right here. All right, for the driver's side, you're gonna move this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're also gonna move this guy right here. So that's the other one. So we have 6. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make sure you remove all 6 of those. I'm gonna do those off camera, and then I'm gonna show you me installing this piece on the actual driver's side. Okay, so I now have all the clips out. We're gonna place this nice right there. Get everything nice and lined up. Okay. And I was actually able to, where that 10mm was right there, I was actually able to just push this cover over it. So I'm gonna go back, take that out here in a little bit, and redo that. Make sure your trim piece stays under the new trim piece itself. Okay, so now let's go in and put all the hardware back in. All right, so off camera, I went ahead and took the 10mm off. Everything wasn't sitting right. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go back and put all of the supplied factory clips back in the exact spot that they came from. Whoops. Super simple, shouldn't be too hard at all. Okay, there's that one. There's that one. And then we have this big long one that goes up here. And then this supply hole right here. This one's probably going to be a pain since there's all this padding. But we'll get it. Okay, so everything is now put into place. Just to kind of give you guys an overhead view of what everything looks like. That very top bolt over there was a pain in the rear, so make sure you have some patience. But everything is now good and snug and secure. Definitely don't need a friend for this install. And I'll have the link down in the description if you also want to get this engine bay dress-up kit. I believe it was $45 shipped to the door, maybe $50. It wasn't too expensive, but it definitely changes the entire appearance of the car now that you have everything covered up. So that was a super simple mod. Now I'm going to talk to you all about the big things that are coming to the channel. One of the mods that I'm going to be doing in the near future. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is yet, because everything is set in stone, everything's purchased and paid for. I'm just waiting, you know, to get some things in the mail, and that's going to be a huge upgrade. Let's say coming to this area right here. It's going to be super exciting. Yeah, so if you don't already know what it is, you probably know by now, but we're going to do an entire video series. I'm going to try to daily upload vlogs for you guys of me and the guys working on the car, getting this thing where it needs to be. You know, of course, I'm going to have to get a new tune for whatever I'm getting. So that's big, exciting news. That's going to be coming the second week of January, I believe. The week of my birthday. My birthday is January 18th, so my birthday present to myself was this gift, and that entire week, me and the guys were going to be installing that, so I'm super excited about that. The car is also getting a new clutch. I am going to go with the FX400, so if any of you all currently have the FX400, please comment down below and tell me what you all think as far as daily driving. Am I going to like it? Should I go with something else? Should I even go with another brand? I don't know that many brands out there that have a supplied aftermarket clutch for this car. So I'm gonna go with the FX400 as of right now. But if any of you all have another clutch out there that you're currently using that you like, that can withhold, you know, X amount of horsepower, and it's good for daily driving, please let me know. Comment down below and let me know. I'm looking for a reliable clutch that's good for everyday driving. That's not going to give me a calf muscle workout in stop and go traffic. All right, so the next big thing that's also going to be coming to this channel in January, either the last week or the second to last week in January, is I'm buying a project car. Went and test drove it today. It's actually one of my buddy's car. You know, some things came up. He's moving, and he doesn't want to take the car to the location that he's going. And he made me an offer that I cannot pass up. I cannot refuse. And it'll bring exciting, fresh new content to the channel. It'll be a project car that I get to build with you all and share, and I'm super excited. Let's just say the test drive today definitely sold me on the car that I'm going to buy, and yeah, you guys are going to definitely like the car. The car's in immaculate shape. It's going to be so hard for me keeping this car off of my social media and not filming with it. Yeah, so any guesses on what the car is? The only thing I'm going to tell you all about the car is it's an all-wheel drive car, and we are definitely going to try to crank up the horsepower to 400 to 500. That's going to be my goal for this car. That's the only hint you guys are getting. All-wheel drive, and we're shooting for 400 to 500 horsepower. So comment down below on what you all think it is. I've already said too much. So let's just recap on what we did, and then we'll end today's video. I know you guys think I talk too much, but oh well, because I don't care. All right, so like you guys saw, super simple mod today. Everybody can be able to do this. If you like this engine bay plane like that, you are wrong. This looks so much better than the factory bay looks like. So here's what the passenger side looks like, driver side looks like, and then here's what it looks like from the top side view. So much better. And yes, I know my car is filthy right now. I haven't had a time to wash it or change out the tire letters. I'm going to do that soon. The car actually looks clean right here, but I promise you it's filthy. The car is absolutely filthy. Look at that. Yeah, I should be ashamed of myself. I need to wash it. Somebody buy these side skirts, please. If you're interested, you pay whatever we decide and the shipping, and those side skirts will be yours. So if you're interested in these, the link will be down in the description. And I just want to say thank you all so much for supporting my channel. I know I cannot say that enough. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing. And I definitely wouldn't be able to purchase the next car I'm going to be purchasing. So two big things are going to be coming to the channel. One for my daily driven car, and then we're going to purchase a project car. So make sure if you haven't, you turn on your post notifications, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big old like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy holidays. Peace. and a happy new year, because I don't know if I'm going to get a video out for the new year. He gone.
It's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.